Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the Exp5 and Exp4 AI sniper expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But in this video I'll be using the Exp5 to explain and to give us a review and a rundown of the Exp EA. Now this EA is an intelligent adaptive trading robot from Exp4 and this MQ5 page talks up smart market analysis and precision entries, but I went through the full details, so let's break down what this AI snapper actually brings to the table. But before we dive into this review, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now this EA was developed by Vladislav Andrushchenko from Ukraine. He is quite popular, has about 4.5 stars out of 5 from 1202 ratings. Has 44 products and is quite popular in the community with topics and comments, and he has been here since 2007, so he claims. So he's quite popular, but this EA has poor ratings, has just 2 stars out of 5. We have 4 reviews from people who have bought it, who have used it, and then we have 152 comments. We have 152 comments from both the developer himself and also other people who have used and other people who are trying to get it also. But let's talk about the workings of the EXP expert advisor, and this is a powerful and self-optimizing trading robot designed for high probability buy and sell opportunities in fast-moving markets. It combines advanced market logic, adaptive trading behavior, and smart entry timing rather than simple fixed rules. And the EA continuously analyzes price behavior and technical analysis and signals in real time, searching for strong entry zones while reacting to bullish or bearish momentum. And also, it combines advanced market logic and also the adaptive trading behavior. All of this, it does this to ensure the efficiency of the expert advisor. Now, it's built around deep market evaluation, strategic filtering, and internal calculations on every price move. There's no random trading, it's all about probability, the timing, and the structure, and also alignment. Based on it uses AI, artificial intelligence, so this is what is expected. We also have some images here. This is the equity call from their backtest, and this is exactly how it looks on the chart. When you install it on your chart, it has a good user interface with a very big dashboard which you can set to, you can adjust this whether you want to be seeing it on your chart or not. But this is how it looks on the chart, and this is all the images here. They don't have any backtest or results which we can use to gauge exactly how this expert advisor works, which is a little bit suspicious from the developer because he is supposed to provide some results or signals or backtest results to see and to gauge how the EXP AI sniper expert advisor works. But let's talk about the key features that the market. The developer markets the intelligent market scanning, and also we have the adaptive strategy. This is the adaptive strategy behavior adjusts to changing market conditions and enables the AI and the expert advisor to work properly. We also have the precise trade timing and the clean internal logic for reliable operation, and it supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader 4 version is supposed to be here, but we don't have a link that leads us straight there exactly. Yeah, lots of expert advisors from this developer, but all these versions have clear settings, and the documentation and the testing and the recommendation, everything is right here on the page. But one thing is for sure, they recommend set files. There are set files that are recommended for optimal performance. It's designed to work on a wide range of pairs, but XAUUSD is the recommended pair. But even with XAUUSD, you need set files. You need set files to be able to run this expert advice. So you can't just put it on your chart and just let it run. So you have to get the log files and the set files to be able to run this expert advice so properly. The focus is on stability, smart trade management, professional structure, things like volatile pair optimization, structured decision making, rather than constant activity. They provide guides for testing, optimization, and installation also to help traders get the most out of it. Here on the inputs on MetaTrader 5, we have some settings which you can adjust depending on your preferences. Is the AI options. You can choose the depth of research, the balancing bars, the minimum and maximum spreads, period filter for your moving average, and all of these are the set and adjustable settings which you can change depending on your preferences, but these are the defaults from the developer. And let's try to run this on the strategy tester. It's recommended to test this on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and start. Now this is supposed to run quickly to give us the results in no time. Now going back to the inputs, okay, it's running, almost there. This is exactly what I was talking about. The standard backtest setup didn't load properly for this one, just like we've seen. And these advanced or parameter heavy expert advisors like this often need developers recommended set files, like I said, and proper optimization or specific broker conditions to run as intended. Without those, it's hard to get meaningful results, which is common with self-optimizing systems like this one. You can see we took just 2 trades, didn't really take anything, no results here. Total net profits of negative 0.88 cents. So honestly, the thing is, AI-labeled robots like this sound impressive with all the adaptive talk, but in practice, this means performance can vary widely depending on how well you tune it and the market regime also. Claims to shine on volatile pairs with smart filtering, but live trading will test the real execution, the slippage, and the news handling. My verdict for this EXP5 is that yes, it is an adaptive multi-logic sniper style expert advisor that could suit traders who like optimizing and monitoring intelligent systems on active markets. But profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and also the risk that a trader is willing to take or is using. It's great for experienced traders willing to test thoroughly with set files and accept the learning curve. Also, who are willing to go the extra mile to send a message to the developer to guide them through the installation process and give them proper set files and set it properly on their MetaTrader 5 to ensure that it works properly for them. Now, but if you're new, you want plug and play simplicity or expect guaranteed results without work, you should probably just skip this expert advice and go for something simpler. I like this video if these real tests help you out. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advice or reviews like this one. Drop a comment which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.